This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Make sure your Redmi runs a compatible MIUI version and back up any custom layout. Once done, open Settings and navigate to the home screen and Recents or the Control Center settings entry. You want to reach the screen where Control Center options appear. This is the gateway to theme adjustments. Doing this first saves time because some options only show when the correct system module is active. Now proceed into the Control Center menu to access appearance controls. You now pick the style and tailor visual details. In Control Center settings, choose Default, Compact, or Custom. Each changes layout and spacing. Next, tap Theme or Appearance to preview color schemes and translucency. Previewing avoids unwanted surprises. Make adjustments to quick tile size, transparency, and accent colors. These affect readability and battery perception. Once satisfied, tap Apply. This replaces the look immediately, but make sure to test a couple screens to verify contrast and icon clarity. To finish, verify the new Control Center theme across notifications and lock screen so everything looks consistent. If visuals are glitchy, restart the system UI or reboot the phone. This often resolves temporary rendering issues. If the Control Center menu lacks options, open the Themes app to install a compatible theme or switch MIUI layout modes. If problems persist, clear settings, cache, or revert to your backed-up theme. These final steps ensure stability and let you iterate safely on appearance choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.